Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the speed of the RAM you have installed on your computer on Windows 10. And this is easy to do, or if you have Windows 11. So you can hit the Ctrl-Alt-Delete keys at the same time on your computer and open up Task Manager, or go to the little search icon right here. Type in Task Space Manager. Go to this and open this up. And then go on down to Performances. And then you can see CPU. Let's go to memory. And it looks like I have 32 gigabytes installed. And if we go on down, we can see the speed, 3200 MHz. If we go to slots used and hover over this, we can see in slot 1, my RAM stick there is 3200. In slot 2, I have 3200 as well. And this is 2 slots used. And I am using all my slots. So you might have like 2 of 4 or something like that, and you can install more on your computer. But it's very easy to find this located right here. If you're going to be upgrading, I believe it's always going to default back to like the lowest speed. So if you buy something way faster, well, you're going to have to either replace them all, or otherwise it's going to default back to the 3200 MHz. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.